Very happy to see you in my YouTube channel Delysia with the new gadgets, organizers and inexpensive hacks for the kitchens. There is many gadgets will fit for any small appliances. I ordered them from Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress and it has made my life so much easy. Please before beginning, subscribe and like this video for more gadgets.
I have a gadget I think you'll love. We have pizza night every Friday and we've been using this since we got it. This pizza pack is genius. Instead of storing a big box in the fridge, use this expandable pizza pack. It also has 5 microwavable plates. It keeps your pizza fresh longer and when not in use, it collapses for easy storage.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage and you can throw it in the wash too. Cookware set is a kitchen must-have. The key feature is that the handles are interchangeable between the pots and pans, making it so convenient for storing in the cupboard, kitchen drawers, and the fridge for leftovers. The 11-piece set comes with 2 handles, 2 fridge storage lids, and 2 silicone lids.
Pancake batter dispenser is going to fully change your mornings. Add all the ingredients you need to make your pancakes right into this dispenser. It even has measurements right on the side so you don't have to dirty up extra dishes. Once everything's in, put the lid on top, push the button, and it mixes the pancake batter for you. Here's a closer look at how it works. Once your batter's fully mixed, press the handle of the dispenser and you have perfectly round pancakes every time. No longer will you have a pile of dishes every time you make pancakes for your kids, so you can say yes more often. Once it's done, it's super easy to clean the 2 pieces and you're ready to go. Enjoy!
This is a machine washable pet epilator that can be machine washed. It can effectively remove hair, toilet paper fragments, etc. attached to clothing. You just need to throw it in when you do laundry. Reusable and easy to clean. A must-have for pet families.
Cooker dividers lets you cook 2 meals at one time, lets you easily grab your meals, and cleanup is fast and easy. These heat-resistant stove shelves magnetically attach, giving you a little bit more organizational space in your kitchen for spices and condiments. They're rental-friendly and dishwasher safe to clean. And this bowl has a built-in colander for easily washing produce and a removable meal prep cover that comes with 7 meal prep discs for prepping produce.
I always struggle to open my packages or snacks, and these fruit box cutters are so helpful. They come in a pack of 3. I'd love to have them handy to help open those annoyingly taped packages or snacks so I don't ever mess up my nails.
Keep your fruits and vegetables lasting longer and organized with these airtight food storage containers. Utilize unused space and attach these yogurt organizers, which install within seconds. Last, place this rechargeable deodorizer in your fridge to eliminate odors.
This is a flat water bottle that perfectly stores in your purse and doesn't take up a ton of space. It can store your favorite drink, soda, cold soups, or even salad dressing. It is leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about
Adhesive bins can be used in nearly every room of your house. It's an affordable way to organize your makeup brushes and hairbrushes, daily mail, pens and pencils, and so many items around your kitchen. Utilizing the inside of your cabinet doors is a great way to add storage space, and it keeps things handy exactly where you need them. Grab a few of these on Amazon this month while you're organizing and you won't be sorry. Enjoy outlet and allows you to control whatever you plug into the outlet via remote control. It's perfect for lamps, Christmas trees, or even items like sound machines or nightlights in your kids' rooms that you don't want to go all the way in and risk waking them up. The control can be mounted on the wall to work like a light switch, or in our case, I put it right in my nightside table so I can turn on and off my lamp from bed. It doesn't get better than that. Enjoy! It is absolutely amazing. I am not exaggerating. It's rechargeable, so it doesn't have to be plugged into an outlet while you're using it. Put in your piece of citrus. I tried this with lemons, limes, and oranges, and it worked awesome. And watch it do its magic. This is seriously so satisfying to watch, and it gets every bit of juice out of the piece of citrus. We easily filled an entire glass of juice using 2 oranges, and you can see here just how clean it got it. I can't wait to use this summer poolside for cocktails. Happy juicing, and I hope you enjoy.
This smart kitchen gadget that automatically weighs your ingredients and makes fresh pasta in under 10 minutes. Next is this mini folding washing machine that allows you to do laundry anywhere and runs a deep clean and spin cycle so your clothes aren't left sopping wet. This storage stick that plugs directly into your iPhone and acts as a backup for your photos, PDF, or video files. This full-length mirror that doubles as a storage cabinet for your jewelry, makeup, or any personal belongings. These glass cups that I love for smoothies and other drinks like my greens powder that I drink every day. And this kitchen sink tray that dries instantly when wet and can even be used in your bathrooms.
First up are these cutting boards that come with an adhesive holder for the inside of your cabinet door. And these small shelves inside your cabinets add so much space. If you've been wanting a kitchen scale but are low on space, grab this folding option that's absolutely awesome. This hanging sandwich bag organizer is a great way to keep your sandwich bags organized and pretty without dedicating an entire drawer to them. I ditched all of my other baking pans for this one set. All the pieces nest inside the largest pan with the cookie sheets on top. They take up no space to store. This bamboo tiered organizer with hidden storage inside is great for sitting on a counter or in a cabinet, and get your measuring utensils out of a drawer and onto a cabinet using these magnets. They're readily available and perfectly organized. This small set of kitchen utensils takes up nearly 0 space in your drawers and has everything you could possibly need. If you're looking for a drying rack, grab this rolling option for over your sink to get things dry quickly and to store small. There's also a great option for your corner of your sink for your soaps. Hopefully these help in your space. Enjoy!
This 3-cup bamboo utensil organizer is a great way to display your flatware. These caddies ensure easy reach during events. The flatware cups can sit together on the tray or be taken alone to the table when needed. Amazon favorites. This garment steamer can be hung in your closet for easy reach. It heats up in 30 seconds and is a steamer and iron all in one. The steamer also comes with a brush attachment and heat glove, which works so well for getting pet hair off of linen curtains and smoothing out the wrinkles. The steamer has a 35-minute run time. Once it's empty, just refill with water and press in. Steam iron clothes flat on the bed, and never worry about water spots on fabrics because this steamer is leak proof. And the steamer has an auto shut off after 5 minutes when not in use.
Amazon home hacks. Prevent the top of your paper towels from getting dried food and soggy with this acrylic paper towel topper. It fits all paper towel stands and simply wipes clean. And dim the brightness of electronics by 60% with these dimmer stickers. They easily peel off and don't leave a residue. Get a foot massage in your shower with this foot scrubber that includes 2 pumice stones and it contours to your feet. My feet have never been softer and it feels great.